very interesting. I just found here right in front of our water villa. Come. There's this bunch of big fishes having complete insane fun here. I don't know since when, since last 30-35 minutes I have been seeing them here, just taking rounds in this area. All set for the breakfast and to take a round around the island. It's super hot, तो मैंने almost like 4 डेयर लगा लिए मेकअप की और सनस्क्रीन की. इतनी ज़्यादा धूप है, बहुत कड़ी धूप है. और हमने ना आज नोटिस किया है कि हमारे बंगलो के आसपास कल तक एक भी मछली नहीं थी, बट आज बहुत सारी फिशेस हैं. सो आफ्टर हैविंग अ ब्रेकफास्ट एंड हैविंग अ राउंड अराउंड this resort, we will come back and we will go for scuba diving right below our villa, and I'll show you the kind of fishes you can see here. It's just mind-blowing. Ta-da! So finally we have come for a breakfast. Apart from this, I've ordered a cheese omelette with some beef bacon, and here's the view. So we are going to the hydroponic garden. और हाइड्रोपोनिक गार्डन के में जाने के बाद हमारा सनसेट क्रूज है फ्रॉम 5:30 to 6:30 PM. सो इसके बाद हम थोड़ा चिल करेंगे. विल हैव आवर लंच एंड देन गो टू द सनसेट क्रूज. So guys, let me tell you what hydroponic garden is. Hydroponic garden is a garden where plants are grown without soil and with water. So that's water, and that's how all the plants are grown. So that's mint, and
can you lift and show this also? Oh, no.
I guess they have tied it over here, right?
And this is basil.
This is basil, right?
This is called Italian basil.
So they use these plants to cook their food, right? Yeah.
Purple kala basil. This is purple.
That's a kind of basil again.
But this is a separate system.
Oh wow, nice. So here, from here, this is your tank.
This is this is separate from this.
All right.
Yeah.
And that's the pipe which is used to put water here.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the water cooling system. Okay.
Here nutrition supplied by your structure. We call Chinese cabbage.
All right, Chinese cabbage. That
This
looks
is also the
amazing.
rocket. That's
Oh, that's rocket. Yeah, I've eaten it here.
This is the nursery.
That's their nursery. That's how guys they grow their seeds into saplings.
Okay, here you can see this is the media. Okay,
Oh.
This is the artificial media. We call rock cool.
Nice.
Okay. We put seed inside here and covered.
Very nice. We are going to see the tomato plants.
Yeah, this is the tomato.
What's this?
This is tomato. This is special technology. This is perlite.
Perlite.
Yeah, this is artificial media. Okay, this is nutrition.
Okay, that's the nutrition.
This is also kind of hydroponic.
Yeah, this is also the hydroponic. We never use soil.
We are done with the hydroponic garden tour. I hope you enjoyed it. And this is a very new technology, guys, and I feel that we all should try doing it at our homes if we have a big space which is empty. However, it requires a lot of equipment and a lot of knowledge to do this. It's not very simple like growing a plant in your soil, like the usual soil. It requires different plant, different pots, and different nutrients, and then pipes and tanks and all that. So yes, it is difficult, but it's a very new, interesting and new technology. So catch you at the next adventure we are going to do, which is sunset cruise at 4:30. Ta-da! we are going to a new bar which is Dhoni Bar. Thanks to MS Dhoni for being so famous. I don't know उनके नाम पे है कि नहीं, but मैं ऐसे ही बोल रही हूँ. This is the view from Dhoni Bar. Having our drinks, we have come for the lunch. This is the view from Inguru. Our lunch is here. That's jackfish with some french fries. That's nasi goreng, that's an Indonesian dish, and that's our soup. We are all set to go for the sunset cruise. Ready with my specs and all because मुझे अच्छे से sunset देखना है. तो चले देखते हैं how is this particular event going to be. So we're going to sit here and experience the sunset from here. I guess this is like the best place. Having peppermint tea because I was feeling quite tired. We have come to the Reef and Kobe. So Kobe is a Japanese restaurant here and they have live food counter. I love sushis. Only 2 of us are there at the live counter. This is going to be quite interesting now. We've ordered the Japanese food. मेरे को ऐसा लगता था आज तक कि जो रोल करके देते हैं that is called sushi, but मुझे यहाँ पता चला Japanese में सारे खाने को sushi बोलते हैं. So this round thing is maki and this long thing is nigiri, and that's it. This is the live counter for the meal. After glass bottom kayaking, we came to nature trail where you can actually feel the jungle, the real jungle in the middle of an island. After nature trail, we came to sand bank, which is a long narrow stretch of sand which goes into the ocean, and Koramati Island ends there. Hey, it's dinner time! Whoa, that's amazing. Wow. So yeah, our main course is here. These are prawns which you just saw.
And this one is from the very next day when we thought of exploring the sea life before leaving Kuramati Islands, and you know what? We caught sight of a shark. It's time to say goodbye to Kuramati Islands. And that's Malé Airport right in front of you. And our journey ends here. We are going back to Kochi, from where we have a flight to Delhi. Do comment, like and subscribe to my channel if you like my vlog. Take care. Bye bye.